guys, today we'll talk about how can you create a class on your Quizlet app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on create a class, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list, and here you add class title here, then here descriptions, and then you click here on this sign, then it's going to create with you on your Quizlet app. So that's all you have to do to create new class. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.